Business 471 students. My name is Chris Pridgeon, and this is my introduction to international business fall B semester. So I am a business administration student. I'm a senior, hopefully graduating in December 2018 this year. So after this class is done, I will be graduating. The reason I took this course is it does have a direct impact on my career, and it is a requirement for the business administration's curriculum. I'm also looking forward to expanding my knowledge of the international business concept. I took the international business at the National Community College, so it'll be interesting to see how this course, this higher level course, shows the international business concept. Fun, interesting fact about me, I am a supervisor at the City of Rocky Mount. I recently competed in a equipment competition, placing 14th nationally. The competition was held in Kansas City, Missouri, with equipment operators from all around the United States. So my favorite color is blue. Not much of a movie watcher. The last one I watched was Death of a Salesman in my entertainment class. I had to take that class as well for business. If resources was not an object, I would travel around the world, not to work, of course, but travel to see the world. Not really into superheroes, but Batman would probably be my superhero of choice. So to wrap things up, a little additional info. I am married, no kids, one dog, love to work, and I'm a huge Panthers fan. Thank you.